Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Be impeccable with your word. Seek to know the truth. When you hear an opinion and believe it, you make an agreement, and it becomes part of your belief system. The only thing that can break this agreement is to make a new one based on truth. Only the truth has the power to set you free. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 1, NASDAQ up 17, S&P's flat, gold contract down $3, trading at $1,325 an ounce. We had, sorry about that, folks. Let me just get this one more chart up. There we go. There we go. Silver was down 17 cents, trading at $19.69. Platinum off $4 at $1,437 an ounce. Copper down 6.5 pennies at $3.04 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.41 at $103.15. Bonds down 7 ticks, trading at $133.30. King dollar up 152 ticks at 81.90. The euro is at 132.64, and the yen is trading at 98 flat. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so this is the 13th day we've been up here. The cash S&P right now, we're at 1687.14, which is under the May 22nd level once again. We did 671 million. Versus about the 800 million out there. If we go take a look at the SPY, what you'll see with the SPY is that the SPY right now is at 168.58. We got to 169.28. You closed under also the benchmark. The benchmark out there, folks, is May 22nd. May 22nd, we did 244 million. Today you do 80 million. And so we've been up here 13 days right now. And that's pure distribution up there with zero volume. NASDAQ Composite. We go over to the composite. We take a look at the composite. Composite tucks its nose over the highs. We got to a price point of 36.06. No, I guess it didn't get into that. No, it didn't get into that. No, 36.29. Yeah, it did. There it is. Oh, okay. We got over the highs. 36.24 was the high. That was this 18th. Closed at the 36.16. Same setup there. 1.7 versus 1.8. We take a look at the 3 Qs. What you have with the 3 Qs is this. 3 Qs got to a price point of 75.95. You closed out at 75.63. We did 23 million shares, and the last high up here, you were banging out 37 million. Bottom line, your benchmark is 59 million, and that's 59 million, folks. The Qs will have to get back inside the 74.95. That is also the benchmark on the 22nd. Gold contract. We go take a look at gold, the GCQ3. What we have with gold out here is this. Gold sideways move again out here today. Now, this is a beauty, folks, and this is what it is. So check it out. We did 43,000 contracts. We rejected 1316. That's with dramatically lighter volume, by the way. Okay, so we're at 1325. Gold is building cause, folks, to get to that 1385 price point. Oil. Let's go take a look at the oil market. What we have with oil out here. Oil today came back, buck 40, which isn't bad. We did that with some volume. 216,000 contracts. Oil, it looks to be making its way down to this 99.25. We'll see whether it can get into that 99.25. You get into that 99.25, and then you can have some real destruction inside the oil market. Dollar index. What we have with the dollar out here, the dollar, folks, really sweet Tiger Godly setup. And what you got out here today, this is nice. We didn't get the whole price, no doubt about that. Huge expansion of volume, though, folks. This is basically talking, walking, and squawking. The dollar's going to go higher. This is what you have. So we took a B point out of an A to B equals C to D on a Tiger Godly with lighter volume. You come into a breakout area from the 20th and 21st of June with lighter volume. Particularly, we're talking about 25,000 contracts versus 57. We come off of that today. Guess what? 34,000 contracts on the way up. I want to see more price spread. But bottom line, if you're watching this on Tiger TV, you can see the acceleration in volume is sweet. So dollar, next move in the dollar, we're at 81.91. 82.60 will be the move. And we'll see if it can break. Well, when you move up to 82.60, that is going to have to build some cause there. You just won't move into that and move up over that. The reason being is that when we came off the high on July 10th, first day we come down at 51,000. Second day we come up at 52,000. So when you go into a supply line like that, you can expect to get up to the supply line. What do you have to do? You have to work out for a while. You have to build some cause in order to get to higher price. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, we know that bottom line, you failed, baby wants to go lower. We take a look at some of the high volume, we've been 13 days up here, by the way. Some of the high volume stocks up here. Is this today's? Let's see. Was Facebook up another $2? That's interesting. So Facebook was up by $2.19. Oh, man, the Potash stocks got absolutely smoked, folks, okay? Potash Corporation of Saskatchewan was down 627. We're at 31.63. And when you want to take a look at this, if you just want to see how price and volume dictates, folks, bottom line, guess what? It had a high volume low. But guess what? Going right after that high volume low. And it was sticking out like a sore thumb, by the way. So you get a high volume low out there of $20.12. You know, it does a counter trend bounce all the way up to 63. And when you do the 63, okay, so check this out. You're up at 63 with $248 million on a monthly, going against $1 billion. It makes a leg down. As it makes a leg down, it says $200 million, $192 million, going sideways, no juice whatsoever, and then just blows apart. You know, this baby's going to go right after its lows. And let's see what other ones. That whole area just got taken apart. Mosaic, let's see what Mosaic is. MOS. I don't think that was down that much today. That was only down like $1. So if we take a look at, no, Mosaic was down $9. Okay, I pulled the wrong one up. Oh, Monsanto was down $1. Okay, so Mosaic, oh man, look at this. This is pretty amazing. So Mosaic was down $9. We pull this up, and we'll put this, same deal. This thing was screaming. If you see high volume lows, high volume highs, folks, bottom line, thing was screaming it was going to get down there. $23. This thing is not stopped yet, okay? You're at 30, you're at 43. It went to 39.95. That's going to go down there and test it. The low out there had 400 million shares. Thus far, we did 147. Now, this is where this gets really dangerous, and this is what it is. That we're coming to the end of the month, and it hasn't hit that number yet, folks. So what's going to happen is that next month, it's going to be hammering on this low, and it's going to have a whole month to blow that low out. With the aspect, well, that's the technical aspect. The fundamental aspect was that in Russia, bottom line, one of the largest potash producers has decided that they are going to bust apart that whole business. It was a controlled type of business, meaning that they controlled the amount of supply that was out there, and the Russian company, which happens to be the largest potash producer, decided that they're going to abandon their limits on the production that underpinned prices, and they're not going to have a cooperation anymore with the other producers. And bottom line is that you can see what that does. It just took them right apart. Some of the large cap stocks we have out here, this is what you have. Well, let's go Amgen, AMGN. Amgen just come out with numbers. Let's see what we have here. So Amgen closed at 111, up $1.83. She's trading at 112.83 right now. Numbers go like this. The estimate for Amgen second quarter earnings was $1.74. They made $1.79. So that's the bottom line estimate. Top line estimates, sales estimates. Man, they get some big sales. These drugs blow my mind. So Enbrel sales, folks, $1.13 billion. This is in 90 days was the estimate. They took in $1.16 billion. Big money, no doubt about it. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. We have the Dow down 1, NASDAQ up 17, S&P's up 2.5. We're going to be right back.